Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to upload a video on Snapchat Spotlight. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in into your Snapchat, after which you click on camera. Once you're there, you simply click on this image icon. So I'm going to take the video from camera roll. But the video must be 60 seconds. So you need to make a video of 60 seconds. So you can simply edit the video like adding or you can simply add sound if you want, or you can simply add links. So after that, I'm going to click on what send. Once I'm there, I'll click on what Spotlight. So I'll need to submit the video. You can simply add description of the video and topics, that's hashtags. Once you are done with that, you simply click on what send. So we are going to verify. So guys, this is our Spotlight video uploading. So our Spotlight video is already ready to play. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.